What if I told you that you could wake up in Bangkok and have breakfast and watch the entire Bangkok skyline from one of the highest viewpoints in the city? Surprising, right? Welcome to the Baiyoke Sky Hotel review, which we visited few months ago. In this video, we will tell in detail our review, how we feel, the breakfast, other services, and the overall review. So stay tuned and watch because it will be very helpful for your upcoming Bangkok trip. Before we start, I would request you to please subscribe the channel if you are new here. Our hotel review guide of Phuket is already on the channel. You can watch those two videos if you are planning a trip to Phuket also. Welcome to the video. This is Baiyoke Sky Hotel Bangkok, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the Pratunam area. The first thing you notice about this hotel is its height. It rises 88 stories above Bangkok's famous Pratunam shopping district, making it impossible to miss when you are in this part of the city. The building itself is an experience, and there are separate tickets to visit this if you are not staying here. But as we stayed here, so everything was free of cost. This is the main lobby and the reception area, which is situated on 18th floor. Here you get options like ATM, currency exchange, and few shops alongside the main reception area, where you have to come for check-in and check-out. The hotel is divided into three zones: Standard Zone, Sky Zone, and the Space Zone. The rooms are pretty much similar, just the height and the view is different. You can take any room according to your budget, whichever you are getting a good deal. Because anyway, you have the access to 77th and the 84th floor, which is complimentary to take the sky view of Bangkok city. You can see it here, the lobby 22nd to 49th floor. This lift will go. So they have different lifts for different floors. Because here, other tourists which are not staying in the hotel can also come for the observation deck by buying a ticket. Here they have a coffee shop and a lounge, and also a fruit buffet where you can pay the required amount and eat as many fruits as possible. If you are coming to Bangkok for shopping, this location can be extremely convenient. The famous Pratunam Market, Platinum Fashion Mall, and surrounding shopping streets are all nearby. The hotel provides complimentary shuttle service to a couple of nearby BTS stations. But you have to let them know prior about your plan. So kindly note this point and make use of the shuttle service. Also, sometimes it can get very crowded in the evenings because of the very busy area. For tourists who are coming first time to Bangkok, I would say this is the best location you can stay in. As the rooms are located on high floors, the journey to your room can itself become an experience. The building is a bit old and you can see it once you enter the room, but that's okay if you get a good view while having breakfast and other part of the day. So let's see how the breakfast is there. If you are an Indian, there are plenty of options for you. They have separate zone for Indian food, which is very unique and first time I saw in Bangkok. With plenty of options in both veg and non-veg, you can experience a buffet like no other. So this is a starting point. Here you can get refreshments like juices. Multiple variety of juices are here. And here we enter the main area. On the left side we will see coffee, tea, milk and fruits. You can choose which view you want and where you want to sit. Then you can gather whatever you want to eat. First time I eat pizza in breakfast. The view was beautiful and so were the options in the breakfast. So this is the Indian breakfast. If you are coming from the other part of the world, you can also do the other type of breakfast which is on other floor. So coming to this, they have plenty of options in the live counters like pancake and dosas, South Indian options, North Indian like chola bhatura, various other cuisines like sushi and Thai curry, etc. kind of things, Indian curries, 2 3 different type of curries, and in the last different type of breads. So you can also ask them for customization. If you want something, they can bring it fresh for you, which we learned on the second day. First day we were not like asking them. So yeah, try to ask them and tell them the feedback also, as they really care for it. If you are having a different taste or not having something according to your taste, you can like ask them, because there are very less spices and salt in few things, so not according to the taste. But yeah, vegetarian food, see these 4 options, then couple of options in the Jain food also there. So if you are Jain like us, you will get the options there also, something like poha, chana. So yeah, huge options there. Here it was chaat corner. I don't think you will eat golgappe in the morning, but still, if you want to adventure, here's the live counter. And then the other things like momos and some non-veg items. But the main factor is the view, which you don't get in any other hotel. So you get the breakfast with good options, and the best part is the view. So you get to see the buildings, the view. So all in all, a great experience. So now coming to the observation floor, this is the 75th and the 76th floor, which is complimentary for the guests staying in the hotels, but for the other tourists they have to pay the amount. You can enjoy a few things like photo setups and other thing, and click photos. A quick like it's a 15-20 minute kind of activity, I would say. You can click different pictures and go to the other floor and enjoy everything. Also, your welcome drink voucher that you get at the starting, don't forget to like use them. You get something like a mocktail, mocktail some kind of thing, I remember something. So yeah, it's that is also at the 78th 80 floor. They also have the famous revolving viewpoint, which is on the 84th floor. So that is also something unique. It rotates and you are on a very high floor, like 84th is one of the highest of the hotel. And yes, it actually rotates, so that is something unique. We will see it afterwards. So we have talked about the location, which is the best, the viewpoints, which is the best, rooms which are a bit normal and feels a bit dated, but that's okay, the view will compromise for that. And what else? Breakfast, we have already told, it's good with Indian options. Any other questions if you have, you can ask. And what would I say? Yes, I will recommend it, if especially if you are coming to Bangkok for the first time, especially if you are Indian and you are looking for something different than a regular hotel stay. Then the location is convenient, rooms are spacious, city views are fantastic, breakfast experience is memorable. So this is great. Say this, the 84th floor I was talking about. So this is the revolving viewpoint. So this is also a kind of different. Try to view like visit this place and this floor once when you are staying here. So it's also a different experience. You get to view like the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, so some kind similar kind of thing. And best part, it's complimentary for you because you are staying here. Yeah, so it's one of those places where the building itself becomes part of your Bangkok experience. So yes, coming to the budget, it was like a good, we got 21,000 deal for 3 nights, which is approx 7,000 per night including breakfast. So that was one of, I think, good deal, because in Phuket I paid 21 for 1 night, and here in 21 we get 3 nights. So yeah, that is a very good like deal from my point of view. Any other questions, feel free to like ask in the comment section, I love to answer. And if you are new here, please subscribe. We need your support in growth of this channel, and share this video with anyone who is willing to like go to Thailand in near future. Okay, see you in the next adventure, and follow for more such content and hacks, travel credit cards, or the jungle experience. Bye bye.